Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to style hyperlinks in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to make your links stand out and match your brand's aesthetic, giving your website that extra polish and professional touch. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where you can access all your websites and their settings. Now that you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to style the hyperlinks. This opens up the editing interface for that specific site, allowing you to make all the customizations you need. Squarespace makes it easy to manage multiple sites from one place, so make sure you've selected the right one before proceeding. Focus on the left side menu and click on Website, then directly underneath it, click on Pages. This section gives you access to all your site's pages and their configurations. It's the hub for managing your content structure and navigation. Again, turn your attention to the left side menu. This time, click on Custom Code and then select Custom CSS. The Custom CSS editor is where the magic happens. It allows you to add your own styling rules that override the default Squarespace theme settings, giving you complete control over how elements like hyperlinks appear on your site. Now, I've already prepared a sample code for CSS that you can use. Feel free to pause the video right here and copy the code so you can follow along at your own pace. This code will serve as your foundation for styling the hyperlinks exactly how you want them. Once you've copied the code, paste it directly into the custom CSS field. This is where you'll define all the visual properties of your hyperlinks. The beauty of CSS is that it's highly customizable, so you're not stuck with what I've provided. You can edit the code to match your preferences, change the background color to complement your site's color scheme, adjust the text color for better readability, modify the text decoration to add or remove underlines, tweak the padding to control spacing around the links, and customize the hover effect to create engaging interactions when visitors move their cursor over the links. These small details can significantly enhance user experience and make your site feel more cohesive and intentional. Once you're satisfied with all your edits and the styling looks exactly how you envisioned, click Save. This applies all your custom CSS rules to your website, and your hyperlinks will now display with the new styling across all pages where they appear. And that's it. You've successfully styled your hyperlinks in Squarespace, giving your website a more customized and professional appearance that aligns perfectly with your brand identity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.